So we know that these steps are 6 inches in height. So I'm going to count how many steps up above from our actual sea level we are up there. So, first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 16th, 17 steps. 17 steps to there, times 6. 102 inches. 102 inches and 8 inch, 102, so 110 inch. So right now we are 110 inch above actual sea level. We are at the side of Ankersholm Slipway. There's the works, there's the round building to the side of Ankersholm Slipway. Ankersholm Slipway just on the other side of that. We're on the next steps. So from an elevation of 110 inches, let's see what we can see over at Barrow. There's Walney Lighthouse, and there's the building that it has at the back of it. There we have the town hall of Barrow, medical building. And there we have the buildings of Barrow. Here we have the flat land that runs along the side of it. And that's the end of Barrow there. So that's from 110 inches. There appears to be the lifeboat station. That's actually in the water. Maybe I should refocus on that and show you the lifeboat station. So, if I drop 5 steps, that will be 30 inch plus the 8 inch that I'm on, 38. That will put me at an elevation of 72 inches. So 5 steps, 72 inches, and I'll try and film the same. So 1 step down, 2, 3, 4, 5th step. Side of the 5th step. So I'm now at 72 inches above sea level. So that's from an elevation of 72 inch. So if I go down another 5 steps, that'll put me in elevation of 32 inch. So 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 32 inches above sea level. Let's see what we've got. Appears that we have got a mirroring layer. So it looks like that mirroring layer is also compression as well. It's like we need to figure this out, but let's just bear in mind, let's just remember this one simple fact. That these buildings should not be seen on a ball earth model from this distance at this elevation. They are all holographic projections, they are not really there. However, if we look at the mountain above it, you'll see that the mountain is consistent in its, of course it loses focus at the vital time. You will see that the mountain is consistent, so there is no skunk bay going on of stretching and warping. Therefore that crushes the argument for looming, because there would be a split in the mountain where the looming meets the non-looming, unless you now believe that the entire mountain is loomed from just a short distance of perhaps 30 miles away. And lastly, what we'll do, let's see. So we've got 1 step, 2 steps. If I put it the second step up, we will be at 1 foot. So there we have the tide coming in. Actually, it's nearly completely enveloped that step. So that will be 6 inches, 12 inches. Fucking hell. So 12 inches right now, so 1 foot above actual sea level. Hello Barrow, hello Lighthouse, hello Devonshire Dock Hall. Do you think I should go and risk it, get down to the next step? Sod it, in for a penny, in for a pound, eh? My camera's already got incredibly wet today. So now from an elevation of 6 inches, back, I have to move because I'm getting wet. Very wet. So now my location, Anchorstone slipway, it's just on the other side of that round turret there. And here we have the steps. And that is some serious flat earth proof.